The premium micro-homogenizing package is ideal for 0.5 to 2 milliliter tubes. It has full homogenizing capability for soft and tough samples and can provide fast and complete breakdown results. The PRO200 Homogenizer has a high torque with a variable speed adjustment and two precision-crafted 316SS generator probes. The flat-bottom generator probe is ideal for soft tissues in 0.5 milliliter tubes. The 5 mm by 75 mm probe is the industry's smallest generator probe, and the 7 mm by 75 mm sawtooth probe can be used for tough samples in 1.5 to 2 mm tubes. The sawtooth design offers additional cutting action. The premium package comes with the Bio-Gen PRO200 stand assembly as well. You can quickly micro-homogenize in a 0.5, 1.5, and 2 milliliter rounded microtubes. Even volumes as small as 0.03 milliliters can be homogenized in seconds. Use a minimum of 0.5 milliliters for the 5 mm probe, and the upper and lower vents do not need to be covered. Here we have the 1.5 milliliter tube and the 2 milliliter round bottom tube. Avoid maximum speed when running at minimum volume. This is a more acceptable volume for high speeds. When homogenizing, it is acceptable to cover the lower vent hole. And to guarantee that all of the sample is retained, slowly remove the generator to finish the process. It is also okay for the probe to touch the sides and bottom of the tube. Shop now at the Lab Depot.